6. Go for maintenance and start. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff. Liftoff of Space Shuttle Atlantis. Atlantis about taking off here now on what could be its last flight from the Kennedy Space Center. The launch going, and it's just out of here. Space Shuttle Atlantis now flying its 34th shuttle mission. 6 astronauts on their way to the International Space Station. Perfect liftoff on time, 2:20 and 09 seconds. Now beginning the 8.5-minute climb to orbit. 2 solid rocket boosters, 3 shuttle main engines firing, blasting this vehicle from basically 0 miles an hour on the launch pad to 17,500 miles an hour. During the next 8.5 minutes, the Atlantis rolled immediately onto its back, putting the crew into a heads-down position. This thing arced out, pointed toward the north, and is on its way out of here, as the vehicle could be seen throughout Brevard County, and indeed most of Central Florida on this beautiful Friday afternoon. After 25 years from its first flight in October of 1985, the vehicle now on its way into orbit for what is very likely to be its last time. Now 1 minute and 20 seconds after liftoff. The vehicle now well over 3.5-4 miles downrange. Continues to move out partly and quickly. We're expecting side rocket boosters to burn out here in another 30 seconds or so. Side rocket boosters firing well, shuttle main engines firing well. Mission Control Kyle Heron reporting that all systems on board Atlantis working as they're supposed to.
Wow.
Now moving more than 2,500 miles an hour, 20 miles downrange. And we're standing by for side rocket booster separation. And when we see that, the boosters will fall off and head down toward the ocean, toward the Atlantic, and be recovered. Not necessarily for reuse on the space shuttle program, but that hardware will be looked at and examined, and that data collected for whatever future it holds for our nation's solid rocket booster program. Those boosters have confirmed separation. As we're now 2.5 minutes after the launch of Space Shuttle Atlantis, and now about 48